So first thing we need, we're going to grab a scrap of metal, something small, preferably flat, something like this. We could get some of these bigger ones. This bent stuff needs to go in the recycle can, but there's lots of little small pieces. We're going to grab one of these. We need a scratch awl, which are found here in our metal locker. Left-hand side, these are all scratch awls, as are these. So we're going to grab one of these. We'll need our ruler, which we know are hanging just right over here. And head over to our table here. These rubber mats are in drawer number 5. We're going to scratch a couple of lines and then head back over to the squaring shear and get them cut. So let me show you what we're doing. So we're going to use our straight edge to draw a couple of just straight lines. We're not measuring anything. They don't have to be parallel. Just doing 3 lines. We're just going to practice cutting. You can even see those are not very even close to parallel lines. We're just going to use that to practice lining up on the shear and cutting. But before I go over and cut, we want to be able to piece these back together and see how close we were. So I'm going to just draw kind of an arrow across them. And this way, so you can see that, this way when I pull these pieces out, I'll be able to put them back in the right order and see how close I was on all those cuts. So let's head over to the shears and get some cutting done. So I've got my piece of metal. I'm going to slide it in here. I'm going to cut those 3 cuts. I'm going to take my time lining them up. So I'm going to slide it through. I'm looking between the hold down bar and the ram. I'm going to line that up as best I can with the table if I can. Lower the hold down bar, lift it up, pull it back. Need my helper? There's your safety glasses. So there's the first one. It fell in the catch tray. That's fine. We're going to fish that out in just a second. My second one. Other side, but. And then the last one. We're going to, again, take our time, line it up, lift the hold down bar up and down if we need to adjust it, because once we lower the hold down bar, that piece of metal is clamped to the table. When we think it's good, we can cut. So I'm going to grab my 3 pieces out and see how they look. So here's our pieces. We have our arrow on there. Let's see if we can figure out. Okay, here's part of my arrow. You can see right here, those two pieces there. So we're going to look for the next. That's the point. So that one's going to go there. I think we go like this. What we're hoping is that we don't see the line at all. If we cut perfectly, we won't see the line. So if you look close here, if we look close here, on this one, you can see I was a little off. You can just barely see a shadow of the line on this side. On this one, you can see I quite clearly was a long ways off. It was very crooked. On this last one, you barely see the line. This would probably be close enough for what we're going to be doing. Hopefully we take a little more time and do it even better than Mr. T does. So when you get your 3 pieces cut, you're going to bring these 4 pieces up to me, bring them up to my desk, lay them out for me just like this, and we'll look. And if we need more practice, that's what we're going to do. This is practice. This is helping us understand how to line up that blade and cut more. So if we need more practice, I might have you do 1 or 2 more lines. And then we're getting closer to ready to start on an actual metal project.